Stell of SB19, known for his powerful vocals, once kept his emotions behind a smile. But in the quiet of his own space, he wrote Room. It wasn't just a song, it was a confession. About loneliness, the kind that stays, even in a crowd. Room became his safe space, a place to feel, cry, and heal. And now, he shares that space with us. A reminder that it's okay to feel, and healing begins when we stop pretending we're okay.
Yung term po na fake it till you make it, napaisip po ako na parang, baka nga ganun yung ginagawa ko, na parang deep inside natatakot ako mag-solo. Merong special room inside me, na pagka nagdi-deep dive ako dun, yung other version ko, yung sobrang confident na sinasabi niya, kaya mo yan eh, hold back mo lang yung sarili mo. So dun ko po naisip na, baka nga meron something deep inside us na nag-hold lang sa atin, sa mga gusto nating gawin, na alam natin kaya natin, natatakot lang tayo.
Room reminds us that it's okay to be vulnerable, because healing starts the moment we'll stop hiding our pain.